In today's video, I'm going to show you a secret website that lets you access almost every powerful AI tool completely free. Image models, coding models, research tools, you name it. And the best part is, there are no limits. So watch this video all the way to the end, and when you're done, drop a comment and let me know what you think. Now let's get started. So look, in this tool you get every type of AI tool, new or old, and they keep updating daily. Whether it's for text to image, image editing, research, or coding, everything here is completely free and unlimited. So let's start with its image generation model. I'll select an image here, then go to the upper models and pick chat directly. Look at all these latest image models. Imagen 4, Seedream, everything you can imagine. I'll go with Seedream. And in the prompt box, I'll type a simple prompt. A dog running in a forest. Next, and just in a few seconds, check this out. The image is ready. Look at how sharp and clean it is. The details, the colors, the lighting, it's outstanding. Truly one of the best results you can get. And now, just click download here to save it. That's it. Done. Let's try another model. You see, all trending models are available here like Quen, plus a bunch of others. I'll select this Chinese model and type an eagle flying in the cloudy sky. Next, and again, in seconds, look at the result. Another top-notch image, clear, sharp, exactly what you'd expect from a flagship model. And the best part, it's completely free here in LM Arena. No limits, no restrictions. Now let's move to coding models, which are honestly some of the best you'll find anywhere. Go to the coding menu, select chat from the top, and check all these models. Minimax is here, and a bunch of other top models. I'll select Claude, and in the prompt box type, create a fully responsive AI puzzles website for all devices. Next, and look, it starts working instantly. After a short wait, our website is ready. And just check out all the features it added automatically. From multiple puzzle types to responsive design, it's impressive. Let's try the puzzles one by one. Here's a question. It asks a tricky one. I'll give a wrong answer first to see if it catches errors. Nice. It caught the mistake immediately. Now the right answer. And look, it's correct instantly. Next, let's try the pattern grid. There are 4 shapes, and we need to find 5. This one's a little tricky. If anyone knows the answer, comment below. Next, the memory match game. Perfect. Works exactly as expected. Now, another example. Let's type. Create a social media app with these requirements. This time I'll select DeepSeek next, and it starts processing. In just a little while, our basic social media app is ready. Fully responsive, simple design, basic functions working perfectly. Let's make a post. Subscribe to Invento AI. Next, and look, the post is published, likes working, everything functioning smoothly. One more cool feature here is the side-by-side comparison. You can type any prompt, select 2 models, and see which one works best. Finally, this tool lets you tweak every detail of your prompts. Changing style, tone, layout, or complexity is instant. I did it, and look, both images are amazing. For me, this is a tie. You get to test different models at the same time, completely free, which is insane. So overall, this tool is an all-in-one AI powerhouse. From image generation to coding, from research to creating apps, everything is here for free, unlimited, and updated daily. It's essentially an AI workspace for anyone looking to create, code, or design efficiently. Explore all these features, test different prompts, and compare models. This tool is a complete package for AI enthusiasts, developers, and content creators alike. That's the extended walkthrough for now. Continue experimenting and discovering hidden features, and you'll find endless possibilities. See you soon.